Welcome back to AgriFlyNetwork, and in this video here I'll help walk you through a process of submitting a new job pin on the national map. Now we go over here and we'll click New Job. This information will come up, and first off I want to let you know your profile information is confidential at all times. Your name and contact information will not be seen on your job pin. Go with aircraft. Let's just, for now, we'll select air helicopter, crop. What I'm going to do is select other here, and I'm going to insert test so that when I put this pin on the map, crop dusters through the nation will see that it is a test pin. They won't submit their profile to you. So one thing you are able to do, if you want to practice a pin or two, you can do that. Just note on the crop test, and then I'll let it sit up there for a couple days, and then I will clean them off the map. But that way you can get a little practice in if you'd like to. Product, fungicide, application. It's a wet application, and the rate that you want that down. So we'll just put 3 gallons per acre. Everyone's going to be a little bit different. Target price. If you have no idea what your target price should be at or around, just enter 0. We do have to enter something in there, and a 0 is fine to start with. Acreage quantity, let's just put 900. Estimated application date, I'm going to go ahead and just put it for Tuesday. Airport, we don't need this information. If you do have an airport that you would like to work out of, all you need to do is enter the airport's name or the city, state that it's located, or its identifier letters, and you enter that information there. You click next page. If you want as applied maps, no maps are needed, or yes, you do want as applied maps. Some crop dusters have a slight fee for that. They will note that in their profile when their profile is sent to you. Information, do you want to prepay for a project with the crop duster? Hit that little thing, gives you some information, and if you want to, click that there, and you're able to put down an approximate amount what you're looking to do. This is approximate. When you actually select a crop duster through this process, you can determine and change the rates if you like with the crop duster, determine with him, and he'll let you know what discount you will receive with the amount of prepayment that he had. For simplicity right now, I'm just going to put no. Application date guarantee, click that little I. This will give you some information about the application date guarantee, what we strive to do here. For simplicity, I'm going to click no on that. Otherwise, you would have entered days to complete the job. You have a 3, 5, 7, 9-day window. You can click in there if you like the application date guarantee. AFN, AgriFlyNetwork, payment system. You can click that button right there. And after communicating with your crop duster, and the two of you would prefer a third-party escrow system to be set up, we will do that for you. It's a third-party escrow system. We will send out the credentials to you and the crop duster, and you will make payments that way there. If needed, you will discuss the payment system with the crop duster once you select that crop duster. So you hit next page, and now we're at the national map. I'm going to scroll up here a little bit, and let's just, I want to go a little place in Iowa right there, so I'm just going to zoom in on the map, and we'll stay with right over here above Columbia. We'll zoom in a little bit more. I'm going to change the map to satellite and drag that a little bit more, and we'll zoom in right there. We'll just work with this field right here. Now you have two choices. You can use a pin system like this here and actually drop a pin on the field location, center of the field, and that's all that's needed. The crop duster will see this. He'll determine that's probably the acreage that is covered, and they can go from there. Maybe you don't want this pin exactly on your field that is going to be worked with. You can take that to the nearest intersection, drag it there. The crop duster will see that and realize the pin is not exactly on the acreage that needs to be taken care of, but they know it's in the general area. The next thing you can do, you can actually drag it and assume this is a community over here, and we're just going to drop it on the next largest town. So we put the pin over there. The crop duster, same thing. He'll see that, realize that's not the field, but it's in that general vicinity. So that's the pin process. You can also, we'll reset the map. I'm going to zoom back in. Click this little hand button, drag it over this way here. Zoom in again and hit satellite right there. And let's say we want to work with this area right here. And we actually want to draw a boundary around the field. Right now I've clicked that button there, and all I do is click the borders of the field, something on this order here, and then I'll just close it off right there, like that there. I want to adjust it a little bit. You just click and drag like that there, and go with that. And it has to be a white button. It can't be the middle one. So we want to go like that there. So it gives us a better, as a crop duster, when I see this, I say, okay, now I know exactly what this guy wants taken care of. So we'll take that, we'll use that system right there, and now we hit create a job. So the information that you've entered now shows up here on your view job page. It shows the area that you've mapped out, gives you the information that you have entered for this job. And then if you have a problem, you realize, no, it was 90 acres. I really goofed up here. Call, text, or email me, Jeff Wag at AgriFlyNetwork.com, 815-303-4633, and I will remove this pin for you. You will not be able to do that. I will do that. But just simply email that to me or call, text even. So now there's your first job. You're welcome to practice, and like I say, just put test in where the crop is, and crop dusters and myself will realize it's just a test pin going up. That's it for this video. Our next video will show you what happens when a crop duster actually sends you his profile for your work. Thank you.